Welcome you all into today's LeetCode challenge. This is our day 288 on LeetCode. Today's question is maximum employees to be invited to a meeting. LeetCode 2127, which states that a company is organizing a meeting and that has a list of n employees waiting to be invited. They have arranged for a large circular table and capable of seeing any number of employees. The employees are numbered from 0 to n minus 1. Each employee has a favorite person and they will only attend the meeting only if they can sit next to their favorite person at the table. The favorite person of an employee is not themselves. That means there is no self-directing loop for any node. Given a zero-index integer array favorite, where favorite I is denotes the favorite person of the ith employees, return the maximum number of employees that can be invited to the meeting. Means if this is given to us, then 0, 2 is the favorite person of 0, 2 is the favorite person of 1 as well, 1 is the favorite person of 2, and 3 is the favorite person of 2 is the favorite person of 3, like this. So we have to find out how many employees we can sit together to meet the condition of the favorite persons, ensuring the condition this. Solving this in Java, we will first find what is the adjacency list. So basically this favorite integer array is actually the adjacency given to us, adjacency list. So first we have to find this length. What could be our step 1? Step 1 is to initialize the required arrays to us, and the required arrays for us should be a answer or a in degree array which stores the in degrees for every node. That could be of n size. This array is storing the in array in degrees. The second array we required is q array, which is also the of size, and this QE is for topological sort. The next array we required is our deep array, which is basically required for depth of any array. Chain lengths. Basically this depth array will find the what could be the maximum chain length for after the loop. What could be the maximum chain length we want to set in the to maximize our maximum employees that attend the meeting. First, we want to calculate hours in degrees for each node. This in degree of adjacency of I will ensure to mark every in degree presence like 2, 2, 1, 2. This will indicate that um, for this the size will be 4. So the in degree array is declared like this of 4th 0, 0 like this. And whenever we run our loop for I equals to 0, this I points to a 2, then in degree of 2th index will incremented by 1 like this. Then I goes up to the next position and that is also 2. So in degree of 2 is now incremented by 1. Then this 1, so in degree of this will incremented by 1. Now this 2 will increment the position 2 by 3. So for this example, the in degrees looks like this, and the in degree means for 0 there is no incoming node for 0, and for 1 there is only one incoming node that could be from 0 or from 2, any of the. But in looking at the adjacency list, we will find that this comes from 2. Now, our third step will be process the chain lengths using topological sort. The process will start like this. For int I equals to 0, I is less than equals to n, I plus plus. We will first check if the in degree of that index is 0. If this could this case will be arrived, so what we have to just put that index into the queue and mark the indexes according to that. Add nodes with in degrees 0. We're we're adding those nodes which have 0 in degree in QE using this statement. Now we will run a loop from L. Well, while L is less than equals to R, we will first find our current. What is the current node? The head of the QE. What could be the next possible node from this is given by this, because in adjacency list for every node the next possible node or the edges given to those nodes are the next possible nodes. So the next possible nodes is for current is given by the adjacency list. Now just check if this is the maximum possible depth for this node, or there could be any maximum depth for this chain is available or not, like this. Updating the chain length. Now we have to minus our and check if this is 0. So we have to reduce the in degree of the next node using this. Our step 4 now comes into the party, which is processing the cycle length. Basically, we will by this we take care of the chain lengths, but now we have to take care of the cycle lengths as well, because in this question there could definitely be the cycle present in every test case. So we have to process our cycle length. Small circle and big circle. What is the maximum possible cycle length? If int degree for any node is not equal to 0, this basically signifies is that there could be a cycle present for this node. So we have to mark our this node first as visited using the following statement, marking our node as visited. Now using this condition we are actually signifies is that move the j pointer until we come back to the same pointer. So this actually will move into the cycle, marking all the nodes or doing the process as we want on all the nodes. So what process we want from the cycle nodes is to count them. So we have to increment our CNT every time we encountered each element in cycle length, and we always will take care that we will mark our that node is visited because we visited that while moving in the cycle. Mark all nodes in cycle as visited. Now after that we have to just take care if this count is equal to 2. Like if there is a two node cycle present, so this is a special case for two cycle. So we have to add our deep of I plus deep of adjacency of plus 2. So this will give our answer. If that could not be the case, so this implies that there is a larger circle case. So this is simply given by comparing the big and CNT values. Now we have to return the maximum from big or small. What is the maximum possible value for this? Let us run this and check if there is an error in our code or not. We made a slide mistake. What is the problem with our code? We made a slide mistake, and this will lead to now it's running fine. So just submit this. Yes, it is running fine, and this will conclude our today's video. So thank you so much guys and keep supporting us. If you like this, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.